Yo, what up? It's your boys from Yo Ass Hungry Now, and today, what do we got?
Today we are making my favorite thing to eat for breakfast, lunch, and sometimes dinner. We're making chicken and waffles, our way. We're gonna do a little bourbon vanilla maple syrup, perfect little fluffy waffles, and a little tiny waffle maker.
Yeah, what I got for Christmas.
Exactly, a little Christmas gift. Make some beautiful fried chicken, and now let's get into this recipe.
Alright, so here we have our chicken thigh, skin on, bone in. To the chicken, we're gonna add buttermilk. This is gonna help tenderize the meat and let our dredge stick. We're gonna put this back in the fridge and let it marinate for up to 4 hours. For our chicken dredge, we're gonna start with half a cup of AP flour. To that, we're gonna add a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, cracked pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of onion powder, a couple dashes of cayenne and kick it up a notch, half a teaspoon of paprika, a couple shakes of Cajun, and some chili powder. About half a teaspoon. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and you combine it all together.
Next up, we're gonna make our waffle batter. We're gonna start by measuring out all of our dry ingredients. I'm gonna start with 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. In a separate bowl, I'm gonna measure out all of our wet ingredients. Next, I got 1 cup of buttermilk, 1 egg, 1/4 cup melted butter, and a half teaspoon of pure vanilla. We mixed up our wet ingredients. Now we're gonna slowly whisk it into the dry. We're gonna set this in the fridge for 15 minutes. Let the baking powder, baking soda do its thing, start to activate, and then we'll start making some waffles. While our waffle batter is activating in the fridge, we're gonna make a little infused maple syrup. I'm gonna pour a half cup maple syrup into a pan. We're gonna hit that with a good splash of Buffalo Trace bourbon.
Holy cow.
Oh yeah. And finish it off with a little kiss of vanilla. You're gonna let your maple syrup cook for about 3-4 minutes, turn it off, set it to the side.
Alrighty, so with my wet hand, I'm just gonna place my chicken in my dredge, my dry hand, gather all that dredge over there, really press it in. Then we're gonna go for second dip, back into our buttermilk, my wet hand, and then back into the bowl. This is gonna be super, super crispy, have a huge crunch, and be honestly amazing. All right, we have our fryer set to 300 degrees Fahrenheit, and goes our chicken.
While our chicken's frying, we're gonna make a couple little waffles in the little waffle maker. Spray down with a little pan spray. Just gonna add a few tablespoons of our batter right to the center. And close this puppy up. Time to check our waffle. Sweet Mother Mary and Joseph. That looks scrumdiddly yumptious. Ha! It's a little waffle. Wowza! Gonna put it on a plate. Wait till our chicken is done.
There you go. Fried chicken. It's gonna transfer to the plate.
Keep it simple. It is exactly what it sounds like. We got our waffles, put a little pat of butter, our fried chicken, another waffle, another pat of butter, that maple bourbon syrup, drizzle that all over, let it soak up in there. Just gonna finish it with a little fresh sliced scallion and a dash of cayenne pepper.
Sweet mama.
There you go. Chicken and waffles. Chicken and waffle time. Let's dig in. Wow. Sorry to set this down, come back up, take a bite.
My God.
Fuck.
Now that is incredible. This is what dreams are made of. Wow.
No, that's spot on.
That's insane. That's
so good.
I'm honestly speechless. That's incredible.
Simple flavor. Isn't that little pop of cayenne at the end?
Yeah.
Little kick.
Simplicity as finest, man. Chicken and waffles. Let's get it.
See you next Saturday.
Peace.